What's up guys? So in today's video I'm coming to you guys with a different type of video. As you guys can see, I have a different background behind me, but in today's video I'll be showing you guys my empty apartment tour, and yeah, I'm just so grateful that I'm able to do this. I'm able to, afford this and, treat myself in this kind of aspect of life, especially right now as I do work for the government. The government has shut down and all that stuff, but being able to, get this type of opportunity to, I guess, live my life as how I envisioned it to be, and being able to, move out from my parents' house at such an age. I mean, I am kind of old, sort of, but not too old. I'm 28 years old, gonna be 29 this year, and it's just reached the time where I needed to, I just needed to move out and be on my own and see what the world has to offer for me, see what God has to offer for me. And yeah, so bear with me guys. I am recording this all by myself. I don't have any kind of assistance with me, so if but like for any chance if you don't see the right, the right type of area or whatever, but like if you guys don't see the right type of showing that I'm supposed to show you guys, bear with me. I am by myself. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's start. So once you walk in, this is the door right here, the entrance door, and then this is the den area. In this area, this section right here is the den. So this is gonna be my filming area. I'm gonna have like a little table either here or over here, and then I'm gonna also put my my desk somewhere in this area as well. I'm not sure how I'm gonna sort it all out, but it's all gonna come together very well. Yeah, it's all gonna like come together once I have all my furniture and stuff like that sorted out and stuff. And then this area right here is the kitchen. As you guys can see, this is the kitchen area. We got the fridge right here, a big size fridge, as you guys can see. That's a fridge. Got the cabinets out here, right there. Sorry. So yeah, here the cabinets and all that stuff. Where you cook, need the oven and all. And then as you guys can see closer here, it has five, I guess, these things. I don't know how to call it. I forgot the word right now. I'm too excited for this. But anyways, then you have like more cabinet space right here. And then over here as well, the oven. Then on this side is where the sink is. So I'll be cooking and preparing all my meal preps and all that stuff. So that's the sink. More cabinet space up here, as you guys can see, and they close like that. They have like this really cool thing where it doesn't like slam the door, as you guys can see. Bam. Then we got the dishwasher right here, because y'all know I don't like washing dishes. But yeah, that's the dishwasher. Where you can put your silverware and all the cooking stuff, cooking stuff. And then got more cabinet space here. Then you got the island. And then on top here, you have more cabinet space right there. Then this is the living area. All this is the living space, living area. Here we got the washer and dryer, full-size washer and dryer right there. That's the AC unit. Up here you have more cabinet space. You can put glasses and stuff on there. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to have my bar stools. So I ordered like about 2 of them. So I'm going to have one here, and one here, maybe 4 of them. But right now I only have 2 because I come on the 30th when I move out. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 3, maybe 4. I don't know if that's too much. And then I'm going to have like maybe some candles on the top here or something like that. And yeah. And then this is the view. We're gonna come to that later because save the best for last. So this is all the living space, living area right there. Where I'm gonna have my sofa, like the sofa and the, maybe like a plant here and a plant over there on that side or something like that. And over here is where I'm gonna mount my TV. So it's like right in the middle. Maybe like a TV stand over here where I can put, like little decorations and stuff, like, just like some little simple stuff, maybe like 2 plants or something like that, so that it looks more homey. But then this here is the bedroom. Here's where my bed is gonna be. I'm not sure if my bed is fully gonna fit over here because I will have a king-size bed. I hope it's gonna fit. I'm probably not gonna have a lot of space to like move around and stuff, but pretty much it's gonna be the sizing of the room and of my bed. And on top of here is where I'm gonna have mounted my TV on, and then go from there. Like I'm not really gonna have that much space in my bedroom, to be honest. So I'm gonna have to work with what I have. So on this side here is my closet. So my clothes are gonna be hanging and all that good stuff. Not that much of a closet space either, but it is good for just one person right now. So yeah, that'll be fine. Then moving on this way, I have a little bit more closet space here, or I can use this to put my towels and all that good stuff. The bathroom, toilet. This is the sink right here. Then we got the bathtub. Shower right there. That's the mirror. It's me right there. Then we got some cabinet spaces down here. So that all my hair stuff is gonna be. Here I'm gonna have very simple stuff, not too much. I'm gonna be very, very minimal with my interior design. So I'm just gonna have my trash can somewhere, probably, I don't know where I'm gonna put my trash can. I'm gonna put my trash can probably over here in this section right here. It's gonna be like a marble type of look to my interior design, you could say, especially in the bathroom. So then I'm gonna have my toothbrush stand and all that good stuff over here, and yeah, that's about it. And then back to the den. So I'm gonna show you guys the view right now. This view is amazing, man. So this is the view. As you guys can see, I got all Miami back down here. I mean downtown Miami and all that good stuff. Excuse my voice, I am sick, so if my voice sounds a little raspy, that's the reason why. But yeah, that's the view. Do a better vision, better feel. That's how it looks like from down. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little empty apartment tour, and you know, just I'm just so happy to be able to be doing this video. Like, this is the exact exciting video that I promised you guys. Yeah, oh, I forgot to show you guys. So on top of here, I also have more cabinet space out there. And then this is the microwave. Forgot to show you guys. That's a microwave right there. So, yep. All right, so that concludes this apartment tour, apartment search, apartment everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.